In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill the page with a picture on Microsoft Word. If you want an image to cover the entire page in Word, this is a quick and simple way to do it. The goal is to resize the picture so it matches your document dimensions exactly, then position it correctly so it sits neatly behind your text and fills the page as cleanly as possible. To begin, go up to the Layout tab in Microsoft Word and check the size of your document. This is important because your picture needs to match the page dimensions. For example, a standard letter size page is 8.5 by 11 inches, which means the width is 8.5 and the height is 11. Take a moment to remember those numbers, because you'll use them to size the image accurately. Next, click on your picture so the Picture Format tab appears. From there, change the height of the image to match the page height. In this example, set the height to 11 inches. This controls the top to bottom size of the picture so it lines up with the full length of the page. After that, open the advanced layout options for the image and uncheck Lock Aspect Ratio. This step is important because it allows you to adjust the width and height independently. If that setting stays on, Word will try to keep the image proportions the same, which can stop it from filling the page exactly. Once the aspect ratio is unlocked, adjust the width manually. Set it to match your page width. In this example, that would be 8.5 inches. At this point, your image should now be sized to the same dimensions as the document page. Now right-click the image, go to Wrap Text, and choose Behind Text. This places the picture in the background, which is especially useful if you want to type or place content on top of it later. Finally, go to Align, choose Align to Page, and then select both Center and Middle. This makes sure the image is perfectly positioned on the page both horizontally and vertically, so it fills the space evenly. If your picture still doesn't look quite right, double-check that the page size and image dimensions match exactly. Also keep in mind that some printers may leave small margins, even if the image fills the page on screen, and that's how to fill the page with a picture on Microsoft Word.